In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check OneDrive storage, whether you're managing your personal files or overseeing business documents. Knowing how much storage you're using can help you stay organized and avoid running out of space. First, let's get started with logging into your OneDrive account. For personal accounts, you'll head over to OneDrive.com, while business users will want to navigate to Office.com and then select OneDrive from there. Whichever route you take, you'll need to log in with your Microsoft account credentials to gain access to your storage information. Once you're logged in, it's time to open up the storage settings. This is where all the magic happens. Look towards the top right corner of the screen, and there you'll find the familiar settings icon that looks like a gear. Give that a click. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to go to Options and then select Storage. This will bring you to the Storage Management section of OneDrive. Now, with those settings open, you can view all the details relating to your storage usage. It's really handy to know what you're working with here, so let's take a closer look at the information available. The first piece of data you'll see is your total storage available. This gives you an overview of how much space you have in total across your entire OneDrive account. Next, you'll see the used space. This information is usually broken down both in gigabytes and as a percentage, so you can quickly get a sense of how much of your total storage capacity you're putting to use. It's always good to keep an eye on this, especially if you frequently upload large files. Then, you can dive into a more detailed breakdown by file type and folders. This section is particularly useful because it shows how different types of files are occupying your storage space. This insight can help you make decisions about what you may need to delete or archive elsewhere. By understanding which file types are taking up the most space or which folders are growing the fastest, you can manage your files more efficiently. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you're now able to keep track of your OneDrive storage usage easily. Whether you're accessing OneDrive for personal use or business purposes, staying informed about your storage details can prevent those pesky running out of space warnings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check your storage every so often to keep things running smoothly. If you enjoyed this guide, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy organizing!